Hi guys, welcome back. HMD Global has finally unveiled the all-new Nokia X71 along with Nokia 9 PureView today in Taiwan. It is the company's first X-series smartphone to launch outside of China. With all-new Nokia X71, the company's first punch-hole design smartphone with in-display front camera. If we talk about the smartphone, the Nokia X71 smartphone comes with 6.4-inch punch-hole display with Full HD Plus resolution and 93% screen-to-body ratio. And this smartphone comes with mirror-finished gloss body with metallic frame. The Nokia X71 comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. In terms of camera, the Nokia X71 comes with triple camera setup on the rear with 48-megapixel primary sensor with aperture 1.8 and a 8-megapixel ultra wide-angle sensor with 120-degree FOV and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel for selfie and video calling. In terms of battery, this smartphone comes with 3500 mAh battery and a sport 18-watt fast charging. And this smartphone also comes with Android One programming and run on Android 9.0 by Autobox. In terms of processor, this smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, which is based on 14nm processor with Kryo 260 CPU and a Adreno 512 GPU. You can easily play PUBG and other high-end smartphone games. In terms of other connectivity, this smartphone comes with 4G VoLTE with Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C port, etc. Let's talk about the price. The Nokia X71 comes with $11,990 Taiwanese dollar, which is around $389 and will be sale start from April 30, and there is no official date for global launch. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought on the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.